Welcome to the B.E.G exhibition stand. We are standing here right in front of our virtual hotel. The main focus is on the artsy plus next of generation 7. First of all, the hotel sign is illuminated by the detector's anti-creep zone. And now, when a person moves in front of the hotel's exterior lights come on automatically. The foyer of the hotel is currently still illuminated in the company color blue. When someone enters the foyer, the color changes to a yellow tone, and as soon as a person leaves the foyer again, the color changes back to the company colors.